combine. This is what I get to drive. This part of the combine is called the header. And it cuts the wheat off. And this wheel is called the reel, and it spins it into the big machine up there, and it comes out as little kernels of wheat. So after this machine, the combine gets full, then we dump it in this over here, and that's a tractor pulling a grain cart. And the big truck is about to come, and we take that big truck to the grain bins and put the wheat in the grain bin. And this is the water truck in case we have a fire, and this is Johnny, whose air conditioner broke, so he's very hot. And I will show you more soon. Okay, now we're going to watch the combine unload into the grain cart. So there's the auger, that's that big arm coming out. Going over to the grain cart. With the stem and the chaff, and it puts it into the machine, and the machine shakes it and gets the kernels out of the plant. So after the wheat and the stalks are taken into the machine, it gets shaken and out comes the kernels into the tank of the combine.